So if you're new to trading, well, then I have good news for you. You are probably on one of the best channels to teach you how to trade. Basically, everybody's teaching everybody how to trade, but who is saying who is making it easier? You know, that sometimes one thing most traders forget is not everybody has that kind of a genius brain. To understand what you're saying. So you could be having a right mentor knows what he's doing, but the way he's delivering it, it's hard for you to appreciate trading. It's done as like you lose interest. It's like once something is sophisticated, most people lose interest. People want the easy way most times, and we live in a very different times here. And people want they want stuff to be done very easily for them. I mean, everything is being laid out for people nowadays easily, and if you're teaching trading, or if you're probably, yeah, of course, if you're helping people how to make money online trading, it has to be very simplified. So today's video is like, how do I simplify trading for people? If you're new to this channel, this is a Market Cipher script. I'm Nupa, a former server moderator and also a consultant for this company. Market Cipher is arguably one of the best trading scripts out there, without a doubt. And I'm here to take you through the very fundamentals of trading, what you have to know and what you have to understand first, before you become a very successful trader or a profitable trader. Everybody can trade, but it's in the simplicity of trading that attracts people. And so what I have to highlight here is basically, let's do what we call indicators, and let's understand what indicators are. So what you see here right now, these are indicators, 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 and we have different varieties of indicators. So for the purposes of our study, I want to use a word called road signs, and this is what I normally refer to: road signs, road signs, and so road signs are more or less like, well, they are very important, but at the same time they are also not important, right? So let's say I'm traveling, and this is my road sign. I see this road sign, let's say 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers ahead. Now I can choose to ignore it. Let's say I'm sitting in this vehicle, and I see a road sign. This is me driving. Wonderful. Then I see this road sign 10 kilometers up ahead. Alright, cool. I can choose to bypass of course, I mean, it's just a signal. I mean, I just saw it. I saw it as a cautionary indicator. So, alright, so I'm traveling. I saw this thing. I moved past it. I don't really care, because the reason why I don't care is maybe I have an alternative, right? Now I have an alternative. The road signs are important, but let's say I have an alternative. What kind of alternative do I have? Let's say I have a Google map. This is a Google map. You understand? So my attention might move from the road signs, and I might consider looking at my Google Maps. Why would I? Because many times there's an alternative for something, you tend to look for the very best in the alternative. If I don't have any alternative for anything, I tend to lean towards what I have at the moment. But when I have a substitute that performs much more than what I used to have, I lean towards. So the rational brain will literally pick the roads, sorry, the Google Maps over the road signs. It's normal, it's human. We know we always look for the very best in every situation. So it's like, if this one gives me an upper, or gives me a very, let's say, this one more or less like helps me navigate my way out easily, much more than the road signs. You understand? So it's an upper hand. So I'll stick towards this one much more than the road signs. So what am I referring to? This one, these ones are my Google Maps, because they move in accordance with time. My road signs are static. If I don't see them whilst I'm driving, I don't have any informed data at the moment. Only 10 kilometers that I got. That's not enough. Well, what if, let's say there's a conjunction here. Let's say conjunction here. Boom, boom, boom. It showed me 10 kilometers up ahead, but it couldn't tell me there's a conjunction. So I probably should use another shortcut. My Google Maps gives me that shortcut so that I can make another alternative, or probably make yeah, of course I have an upper hand, or I have an insight, sorry, into the journey that I'm making, so I can know if there's an upcoming traffic, then I'll navigate another route. It gives me options, varieties of options. So Market Cipher B is more or less like your Google Map that gives you varieties of options. And what kind of varieties are you having here? I can track my liquid, and I can also track my momentum. I can track RSIs and VWAP as well. But what are my liquid? What is liquid? Liquid is more or less like money. So right now my road signs couldn't show me money, but my Market Cipher B shows me money, liquidity. That's what every trader wants to know: liquid, 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 liquid. Then we have force, momentum. That's what every trader needs: momentum, force, 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 force. So it's like my indicators couldn't give me momentum, neither could they give me liquid. They just caution me. So one of the dangerous mistakes you could ever make in trading is to stick your entire trading decisions on just these elements or these road signs. This is horrendous. That's why 90% of you guys will lose to 10% of guys who are using liquid and momentum. So 90% of traders are losing. That's a statement. In other words, to be part of the 10%, you have to have insight. Market Cipher is an insight algorithm. It's an insight script. So there is no way you can lose once you have insight. You can't lose once you know what's going on in the market. Once you know what the big boys are doing, you can make a successful journey once you have your Google Maps working so well, with an internet well, everything is a point. You don't really care about your road signs. This is what most people are sticking towards in trading: road signs. These are just fragments of data. These are not the entire data. Google Maps are the entire data. You understand? Because it's real-time empirical reference script. And if you're new to trading, I'll refer Market Cipher. I'll prefer using Market Cipher because it's tried and tested. Hedge fund guys all over the world, people who are using Market Cipher, big players, leave so many. The testimonials are just remarkable. It's just this is not a joke. This is real time. Sorry, this is real. Testimonials. I work there as a server moderator and also a consultant, and I'm on YouTube trying to push the script. So yes, of course, there's a big difference between road signs and Google Maps. That's the whole point of trading. Know what kind of script you're using, understand what script that works for you, and master that script, then perfect that script, then increase or decrease your risk levels, because you need a very good script to help you decrease your levels of risk. You understand? Like, as a good script lowers your risk, because trading itself is risky. You understand? Like, but you don't have to be guessing on money on fragments of data. You have to be making right entries on accurate data, using accurate data. You understand? Like, if your trading entries are backed by just roadside algorithms, then you are literally risking yourself in the first place. But if your trading entries are backed by Google Maps algorithm, well, then you have a leverage, or you have an upper hand. So that's why I would recommend Market Cipher for people. Again, obviously, my Market Cipher is the best script right now. I'm not gonna lie about that. This is the gospel truth. So if you're new to this channel, kindly like, subscribe, comment, share. Let's take this channel to the next level. I am Seo Nupa, and I'm glad to assist you guys with trading and help you guys understand trading and master trading very well for yourselves, and blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and everything that you want to know, how to become a successful trader, investor in crypto. What I would tell people is to educate yourself well, very well, for yourself, not for anybody, just for yourself, and master crypto for yourself. Learn it like you're going to school. Acquire the knowledge in crypto for yourself, and if you want to learn how to trade, that's your point. That's your that's what you want to learn, you can also learn how to trade that. So until then, have a nice time, people. I'm on YouTube trying to help people as well. So until then, peace.